Hi, this is Anita Redd from Anita's Balm. I wanted to do a unboxing video uh, for a jar as regarding our new 4-ounce. This is a biodegradable jar, and we are going to demonstrate the qualities and properties of it. Our ingredients are extra virgin first cold press olive oil and natural beeswax. We have bees in Toccoa, Georgia, and they supply us wax when they are not suffering from hive colony disorder. We've been working very hard to find a solution to that, and so far have had mixed luck. Okay, now we have the shrink wrapping off, and I've already taken the top off. Let's do it again. It is a 2-piece jar. The top just turns right off. 1, 2, boom. And this is $12.99, and you just apply it as desired. I hope you like it. If you have any questions about Anita's Balm, you can contact us through the shop. Thank you.